Hmm? Hmm? Ano ba? What the future... Naglag?
Opak! Ganda ka?
Oh my gosh. Finally! Oh my gosh! I cannot wait! Arte yun. Grabe, sobrang tagal ko na nag-crave dito. Finally. This is it. Mangyayari na talaga siya. Wow! Ito na siya, guys! The 24-hour... Hindi naman siya 24-hour chicken. The 24 chicken. Boneless happens. As a thumbnail. Oh my gosh. I think... Let's open the moment of truth. Oh my God! Naamoy niyo ba yun? Oh my gosh. I cannot! I'm so excited about this. Sobrang nag-crave talaga ako dito kahit wala pa ako dito sa Pilipinas. So now, this is it. They have a new flavor, yung sweet corn sprinkle. Then I get the yamnyon? Yamnyom? Oh my gosh! I don't know. May Jack Daniel sila pero kaya naman nalasing tayo dito sa mukbang na to. So, yung kinuhang flavor. So, ayan siya guys. And I cannot wait. Nagalaway na ako guys. So, oh my gosh! Let's go!
Opak! Ganda ka?
Hey royalties! It's me, your one and only, your Queen Simon! Wait, one more time. Hey royalties! It's me, your one and only, Queen Simon! And welcome back on my channel! Oh my gosh! Namiss ko yung sabihin. Namiss niyo rin ba ako? Sana naman! So, welcome back on my channel. It's another vlog and welcome back to me. And for our very first vlog na gagawin, gusto ko something memorable in a way na yung gusto ko rin talaga siya gawin. So, alam niyo guys, aside from mga unboxing, ito talaga yung isa sa pinakagusto kong ginagawa. Magmukbang. In short, kumain as a foodie. Diba, yun talaga yung lagi ko sinasabi para may excuse tayo. But I'm so craving for this, the 24-hour. Bakit palagi may hour? For this 24 chicken. And now, nasa harapan ko na siya. And sobrang naglalaway na talaga ako. So I'm so happy that finally, diba, eto na siya. So, ayan guys. First of all, hindi sponsored. Then, I prepared, kimchi. Ayan. It's a homemade kimchi na nabili namin sa isang Korean store sa may Robertson Plaza. Then, this one is the gochujang. Oh, hindi ako nag-backhelp. Ayan, doon din namin nga nabili. Ay, hindi! Nabili ko itong gochujang sa may SM Hypermarket. Yes, available na siya sa mga SM hypermarket out there. Pero ako nagpo-promote. But yeah, wala pong sponsor dito. Kakain lang po tayo. And I just wanna reconnect. Gusto niyo yun? Reconnect. And you know, magkaroon tayo ng live update before naman tayo bumalik sa pag-vlogging. So, ano ba hinihintay natin dito nung makapaghintay? So, I think kailangan natin siyang simulan. Before this, nakapag-fried rice na rin ako. So, I just made garlic rice na sinute. Sinute ko yung garlic sa sesame oil and butter. Gusto niyo yun? So, I hope na naamoy nyo siya at matitikman nyo siya kasi, my God, I'm so excited about this. So, syempre, hindi naman pwede na walang kanin. Syempre, kakain tayo ng very sweet. So, I cannot wait. So, ito muna, para pa-sweetamsang muna tayo, diba? Huwag mo natin masyadong damihan. Tapos, maya na lang ulit. So, right now, it's 12 p.m. So, a little update about myself. So, lately, I've been doing intermittent fasting. Sobra akong nag-crave, sobra akong kumain. Like, 4-5 meals a day. Hindi naman everyday, but may times. So, medyo lumobo na naman tayo. So, right now, I'm trying my really best na makapagbawas ng weight, makapag-diet. Ang ginagawa ko is 16 hours na walang kain, just water or black coffee in the morning. Then, at 12 noon up until 8 p.m., doon pa daw ako kumain na ulit. So, wait lang guys! Ano na? Let's go. Let's eat na talaga. So, what will we try first? Siguro let's try the savory one. Yung yum-yum. Yan-yum. Hindi ko talaga sure. So, it's boneless, guys. So, hindi siya kainin. Yung iba gusto may bones para may nalalasap sila, may nasusupsop. But, let's get it! Diba? So, let's eat muna. Let's try it. Oh my god! Oh my god, my god, my god, my god. Nakita nyo ba yan? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Namiss ko talaga. Oh my god. Wow. Parang naman akong mag-sure dito. Masarap. Oh my god, hindi siya talaga OA pero sarap talaga na. Then kimchi. Yes. Perfect. Oh my god. Wait. Let's try the gochujang. Wala siyang anghang eh. So let's try the gochujang. Oh my god. Wow. Yes. That gochujang sealed the deal. Sealed the deal? Gusto yun? Oh my god! Nakakaisa pa lang tayo, tapos isang flavor. Pero, oh my god, hindi ako nagsisisi. The craving is really there. I'm so loving it. Makakapagkwentuhan pa ba tayo dito? Kakain na lang ako sa harap nyo. Parang, pwede namang gano'n na lang, diba? But, yes, sige. So, oh my god, let's get the sweet corn sprinkle boneless chicken. Ito siya guys. That's what it looks like. Oh my god. Parang crispy nga, no? Siguro gawin na lang natin, bago kumain chicken, dapat may share ako sa inyo para may nangyayari sa mukbang chicken natin, diba? So, katulad kanina, chumika muna ako bago kumain. So, yeah, ganun gawin natin. So, before this mukbang vlog, nakita nyo naman na I was able to share the last few trips that I did nung nasa US ako. Then after that, it was very silent. Kasi talaga yung labas namin. Maingat talaga yung labas namin. You know, life happens and medyo matagal din ako nawala. Medyo matagal ako nag-Mia. It was like around mga a year and a half din. And it was so eventful. Eventful ba yung tamang word doon? In a way na dun sa mga pinagdaanan ko, ang dami kong realizations, ang dami kong learnings. And yun naman talaga yung dapat na lagi nating tinitingnan na lang sa bawat nangyayari sa life natin na maganda man yun or hindi, dapat meron tayo laging nakukuha na lesson. And in a way, parang nagiging good thing siya kasi kahit man lang isa na meron kang napulot doon na na-instill sa mind mo and you're gonna do it para sa mas ikabubuti mo, that's the best thing that you can do para maging positive pa rin tayo in life. So, kain muna tayo! Okay, let's try this, the sweet corn sprinkle. So, try muna natin siya ng siya lang, alone. Okay siya. Parang feeling ko tuloy parang kumakain ng chichirya, something like that. Parang ganun yung send na energy sa brain cells ko. Gusto niyo, parang sumasayaw din ako. Tati. Ay, char. Iba talaga nagagawa ng kimchi, no? Sarap. Wow. Let's try the gochujang. Then the rice. ba yan? Natatakot talaga ako. Kaya kailangan ko mag-share sa inyo ng something before ako makakain ulit. So, nasa na ba tayo? One thing that I've really learned is that, life is very uncertain. That the time is really ticking. Na isang snap, everything can change. Everything can happen that fast. Na ang daming pwedeng mabago, mawala, dumating. Ganun. And para ma-survive mo yun is you really need to trust God. You really need to believe in Him na everything happens for a reason, na binibigay niya sa'yo yung mga gantong pagsubok, gantong mga pangyari in life because alam niya na kaya mo, na alam niya na there will be somebody that will help you, will guide you along the way para malampasan mo siya, para makabangon ka ulit in life. And yun talaga yung isa sa mga na-instill sa akin and talaga natutunan ko talaga and talagang panghahawakan ko forever in my life. Kaya naman, I promised myself na as much as possible, I really try my very best to be in the moment, to cherish every time that I'm with my family, with my close friends, na talagang magbibigay ako ng panahon, ng interest sa oras na nandun ako with them. Kasi talagang hindi mo talaga alam kung hanggang kailan mo sila makakasama, makakausap, makikita. Kaya naman talagang wag na nating hintayin na magkaroon tayo ng pangyayari in life na yung pagsisihan natin, sasabihin natin na, sana nabigyan ko ng more time with this person, ng extra effort to be with that person, to talk to that person, to help that person. And also, you'll be surprised kung sino yung mga tao na will be there, not only in your highs, but most especially in your lowest of lows. Kasi magugulat ka talaga na hindi naman kayo lagi nag-uusap or hindi parang feeling mo hindi naman kayo ganun ka-close. But sila yung mag-extra effort, gagawa ng way talaga to see you, to be with you, to talk to you, to help you. Kaya naman talagang thankful ako sa mga tao na yun. Most especially to God, then to my family na talagang kumapit, talagang nagtiwala, nagmahal, talagang tumulong, sumuporta. And also to my closest of friends na talaga namang naniwala and talagang andyan talaga para sa'yo. Kasi kilala ka naman nila and yun naman yung maganda din as well. As long as you know yourself, wala ka nang pakialam sa paligid mo, sa mga iisipin ng ibang tao, sasabihin ng ibang tao about you. As long as you know yourself, you know your truth, you're okay. So kain na tayo. Deserve ko, diba? So, let's go to our third boneless chicken. Ermargerd. Okay. Oh my. Alam nyo, ang sarap nila. Sarap nilang tulong flavors na to. So, tama ako ng mga na peeling flavors. But I guess, masarap naman lahat. I forgot na nga lang yung huli kong na-try na flavor sa kanila eh. Oh my God. Ang maganda kasi dito yung chicken nila, malambot, juicy, tapos very flavorful talaga nung flavors na nilalagay nila. But at the same time, hindi siya yung parang sobrang lakas sa pag kinain mo parang parang ganun. Hindi ako mag-artista doon, hindi ko umarte doon. Sarap niya! I guess, kaya natin mag-second round ng rice. Okay. So, oh my gosh, so we need to share something again before this. So, what else? So, since coming back, I've been seeing some of my closest friends and I'm so happy to reconnect with them, to talk to them, to make an effort na makapag-catch up with them. And I'm so also blessed and so grateful that sila din mismo yung nagbibigay ng extra effort to see me, to catch up in life. And also, along the way, sa mga nangyari, there are some people na, alam mo yun, na siguro mag-step back. Alam mo yun, yung parang nasa asan na siya? Something like that. Or mahalaga pa ba ako sa kanya? Or alam niya ba na I'm still here? Something like that. But you know, I learned, you know, siguro, ano na rin yun, as you age, as you get older, as you experience things, as you experience pain, mas talagang magmamature ka, and you'll realize that those things are normal, that it's okay. Na sometimes, you thought that person na na super close sa'yo or super important, but on his or her end, hindi pala masyadong gano'n or hindi kayo nagle-level dun sa thinking na yun. And that's okay. Also, I realized na ang mundo talaga, hindi talaga umiikot sa'yo. Hindi ikaw lang ang nandito. Ang nabubuhay, kailangan bumangon, huminga, magtrabaho para sa sarili mo at para sa ibang tao. Na lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang buhay, lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang pinagdadaanan, may kanya-kanyang problema. And let's just be grateful and thankful and happy na even though ganun yung situations ng ibang tao, meron pa rin mga tao na nandyan for you, to talk to you, to make time for you, to love you, you know, to help you and to pray for you, to support you para makapagpatuloy tayo in life. So, yeah. And hindi naman, hindi masama or hindi mali na maging main character ng buhay mo. Kasi, buhay mo yan! And we only have one life. Kaya natatawa ako na nakikita ko ng mga reels or meme na isa lang yung buhay natin. So, bakit kailangan mo pang, pakialaman yung buhay ko? Bakit hindi na lang yung buhay mo yung paglaanan mo ng pansinbigan ng oras, diba? Then, chika na lang tayo, ganun. Pero kung ano man yung akin, kung ano yung sa'yo, then, kung ano yung gusto mo i-share, edi go. Then, if I can help you or give you advice or support you, I'm here, diba? But let's just normalize na ang tao, meron niyang hangganan kung hanggang saan lang yung kaya niyang ibigay. And kung hanggang doon na lang yung kaya niyang ibigay, let's be just thankful to them, grateful to them na andyan sila, na they gave their time pa din, or their best effort pa din, diba? Na wag na tayong maghanap pa ng something or more than that pa. Kasi parang hindi na siya healthy eh. So, I've been there a couple of times before, but yun talaga as you mature, you'll learn talaga na just be thankful and grateful for everything na meron ka now. And kung ano pa man yung darating, diba, in the future, parang bonus na lang yun, diba? So, yeah. So, I guess, it's our time for our fourth chicken. Oh my God. In fairness, enjoy ko naman siya. At least hindi tayo yung siya ng tapos kasi parang baka food coma na, baka antok na, so wala na. So at least dito, give and take tayo, diba? So I need to share something again para makakain na ako ng chicken. If you've watched the first 3 vlogs na sabay-sabay kong nirelease before this one, ito lang ang main natin, first ever vlog ulit natin on my channel. Kung napansin nyo na I've changed my username or my screen name, artist ako, girl. From Drama Queen Simon, I changed it to Your Queen Simon. Because why not? I'm your queen. Sure. Hindi, kasi parang feeling ko, yung Drama Queen Simon kasi, I think it started way back in my college days. So, it was like maybe around from 2008 to 2012. I came up with Drama Queen Simon kasi before, parang that time, parang uso yung Drama Queen. Diba? Yung parang drama naman ito or you're such a drama queen, something like that. Eh ako, as a drama-rama ako, I wanna be an artist noon pa. I wanna act. Yung talagang yung yung Crayola, yung Wally, yung talagang sampala, yung talagang parang hindi naman tama yun. Basta yun, gusto ko talaga mag-artista. Tumapit ako sa point na I wanna join PBB. But then, I realized na I think I need to finish studies muna before doing that. Then, hindi ko siya na-pursue in a way that time, ang baba ng self-confidence ko. I mean, nung college, okay na eh. Maganda naman. Parang mataas naman yung confidence ko noon, na-boost yung confidence ko noon. It's just that I don't feel good about myself whenever I see myself in front of a mirror. Kasi I feel not so, you know, the typical na nakikita natin before na artista. Na yung ganda ng mukha, ganda ng bone structure, ganda ng mga angulo. Pag umiyak, or kaya ko pa din umarte kahit naiiyak ako or umiyak ako. Pero pag ako, ganun. So, hindi ko na lang siya pinursue. But I'm so happy with my college life because nung parang patapos ako ng elementary to high school, I was bullied. I feel so down about myself, about my confidence. I feel so ugly. But nung college, doon ko na embrace yung true self ko or true potential. Pwede yung branding, gano'n. Doon ko naramdaman yung acceptance nung tao sa mga paligid ko na they see me na someone na masarap kasama, na masarap kakwentuhan, tawanan, na I have something that I can offer to steer. So, I love my college life. So, that's it. Ha! Huwag pa anong chicken na natin to? Pang 5? I think pang 5th, no? 5th chicken. Kasi we started with this, then the sprinkle to 4. Yeah, I think pang 5. And I think overall, there are 14. I don't think maubusan natin yung 14 over naman, diba? But yeah, doon lang tayo hanggang saan kaya natin. Wow. Grabe na gusto yung kanin. Pero, hindi ako kakain, chicken na lang. Ay! Teka! Dapat share pala muna ako ng something about na-enjoy! Wait lang. So, kailangan ko na mag-share. Ay, inom muna ako. Nahuli ako doon ah. So yeah, so I changed my username. So, I'm hoping na by the time na mailabas tong vlog na to, I'll able to change my YouTube and my Instagram's username from Drama Queen Simon to Your Queen Simon. Kasi yung other accounts ko, like my X account and my TikTok account, it's Your Queen Simon. So parang, ano ulit sila? Very pare-pareho, diba? So lately, I've been in my running era again. Because if you remembered before, sa mga previous vlogs natin, I always run. I always use the treadmill. I try to run mga 30-40 minutes before. It really helped me to lose weight as well. And also to be more active. Kasi iba talaga kapag active. Kaya talagang mas magaan gumalaw. Mas you feel much better about yourself. So, I'm trying my best to do that again. And I'm so happy that my sister is also in the same page. And also, si Tito, and si Mami, na hihigit namin mag-walking as well habang kami tumatakbo. So, nakakatawa kasi it's a healthy bonding experience, diba, with the family. And I was able to do my first 10-kilometer run in years. So, that's a fan fest run ba yun? Just in Vermosa. So, I'm hoping na more to come pa in the future. So, yun yung isa sa mga na-enjoy ko gawin ulit yun, yung running era. Also, I'll try my very best na maging consistent ulit in our vlogging era ulit. So, can't wait to share my life with all of you again. My royalties! Talaga namang na-miss ko yung sabihin at talaga namang na-miss ko kayo. You're making my heart so full. Whenever I receive that kind of messages, compliments, na enjoy kayo talaga, na panoorin yung mga vlogs ko, na na-feel good kayo, na nakaka-good vibes, na nami-miss nyo. So, thank you! Kasi, yun yung nagiging fuel ko to continue doing this. Aside from the fact na ito talaga yung isa sa talagang na-enjoy ko gawin. Yung kahit na ang tagal ng editing process, na-enjoy ko siya. So, thank you, my royalties. So, this is my 5th one. Ay! 5th ba? 1, 2, 3. No, 6 na! Tama na, 6. Nakaka-6 na tayo, I guess. Hindi tayo last muna, over?
Ko, pag natin ng pamilya ko, sabihin naman, grabe naman yung kain mo, Nalobat na.
Wow. I think we need to wrap this up. Busog na ako. Busog na rin ang kwentuhan. Again, To all of you, my royalties, thank you for still being there. To all of my family and friends, thank you for still staying by my side, for still rooting for me, for still cheering me up to move forward in life. And one more thing before we end this vlog, I really can't wait what the future... Naglog? English kasi! I can't wait what the future will offer to me. Right now, I'm just really trying my best to be in the moment, to be present to myself, to my family, to my loved ones. Kasi that's the best thing that you can give to them na hindi maagaw ng iba. Yung time mo para sa sarili mo, yung time mo para sa mga mahal mo sa buhay. One more thing kasi parang, I don't know, I have a thing with with the word almost. Kasi bigla ko na lang siya na-realize parang a few days ago, I have a thing with this word almost. Kasi in my life, parang kapag may something ako that I want or someone that I like, or something that I wanna do that I'm very passionate about naman, lagi ako dun sa point na almost, na ayun pero biglang nawala. Ayun pero hindi natuloy. Ayun pero anyari. Parang ganun. So parang sabi ko nga, bakit ganun, no? Na parang laging almost. Andun konti na lang Nakikita ko naman, papunta na doon, pero laging hindi umaabot dun sa gusto mo. And looking back to all of my experiences even before, nasagot yung tanong ko na bakit laging almost. Because it's God telling me that that's not the right time. That certain moment na you felt almost because it's a redirection ng life mo. Na I need to redirect your life because hindi ka para dyan, hindi ka mag-work dyan, hindi yan yung plano ko for you. Na hinayaan lang kita to experience that journey, that path, for you to learn something. Then, you realize na, oh, hindi pala ako para doon. But at least, I learned something. At least, may nakilala kong bagong kaibigan. So, to all of those almost moments of my life, I feel so blessed na because of those almost moments of my life, eto ako ngayon. And masaya ako kung ano ako ngayon. Kaya naman, sa lahat sa inyo, to my royalties na nanonood ngayon, I'm really hoping na sana, kung nasaan man kayo ngayon, ng estado ng buhay nyo, you are you accept yourself now, na mahal mo yung sarili mo. Kasi once mahal mo yung sarili mo, dun ka makapagbigay ng pagmamahal sa ibang tao. So, yun guys! Oh my gosh! Hindi ko in-expect yun na magkakaroon tayo ng medyo emotional moment dito sa ating mukbang vlog. But, yeah! Thank you again guys for watching! And I promise na makita-kita tayo every Saturday at 8 PM dito sa aking YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Your Queen Simon. Don't forget to hit the like button and push the notification bell button para laging updates sa mga ganap sa atin in life. Always love yourself. It's not being selfish. Ayun guys, till next time! Much love! Your Queen Simon. And don't forget to always be kind to yourself and to everybody around you.